I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting essentials: your PAN card, Aadhaar number, current mobile for OTPs, and a clear scan photo. Once done, open the official NSDL or URITSL PAN update page and select the PAN correction/update option. Pick mobile number change specifically. You'll be asked to enter PAN, Aadhaar, and the new mobile number. Enter details exactly as on Aadhaar to avoid mismatch. Then request OTP on your Aadhaar-linked mobile to move to the next verification step. After OTP authentication, you'll reach the document and payment stage. Upload the required scans, PAN copy, Aadhaar proof if requested, and your passport photo, ensuring files meet size and format limits. Next, complete the online fee payment by card, net banking, or UPI. Save the payment receipt and the acknowledgement number shown on screen. Once payment processes, the portal generates an e-acknowledgement. Download it immediately because it serves as your reference until the official update is complete. Any final instructions. If physical copies are required, print and sign the acknowledgement, attach requested documents, and post to the specified address within the timeline. Then monitor status using your acknowledgement number on the same portal. Processing typically takes 7 to 15 business days. If the update fails due to mismatched details, don't panic, recheck name formats and digits against Aadhaar. If mismatch persists, file an Aadhaar correction first or choose the PAN correction workflow to align records before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.